What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're heading back to the track where if I can't get into the 14s, I'm going to sell the car. Let's go.
I hope that's true.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we're heading to the track. We're heading back to Island Dragway. I am going to try and break out of the 15s. Right now, 15 flat. I just think it's the car's best time, which is awful. I did a little analysis video of the best time in the automatic and the best time in the manual so far. That video is here for anyone who wants to watch. I don't know why you want to. I haven't gotten back to the track with this clutch setup. I'm not really sure what to expect. More recently, in the last few days, there's a clunking sound coming from the front end. I'm not totally sure if it's suspension. I'm not sure if I have like a mount, like a motor mount, a trans mount loose. Whatever it is, the car definitely doesn't sound to be in tip-top shape. There's some sort of issue developing. As far as tonight goes, we're going up. I was basically out of gas. Went to the BP, put $30 in, got me about 8 gallons. I'm a tick over halfway. I should be around a quarter of a tank when I get up there. That's kind of where I like to run, so I can save some weight. Otherwise, today is the big one. We got the new clutch. There shouldn't really be any excuse there. I don't have enough experience with the clutch, and not as much as I'd like, but it is what it is. This is probably the last time we get to the track. We're heading up now. There is a ton of traffic. I was hoping to be there as soon as they open. I'm going to be there a little late. I'm not sure how many runs I'm going to get in, but hopefully the runs I do get are faster than 15 fucking seconds. That's it. Let's go. I got you on my video. You're gonna be on YouTube. Perfect. 69 degrees, 6'9". they did accidentally junior street. That was my best 60 foot. Alright guys, so update, our best run so far is a 14.6. Needed to take some air out of the tires. We have a small hitch we're trying to fix. Got the mad mechanic working on it now. Car feels good. Clutch feels good. The driver is the biggest issue right now. The driver mod needs to be stepped up. Otherwise, I think we can get the times down pretty good tonight. I'm not selling the car. We're out of the 15s, but 14.6 is still not good enough. I secretly was hoping for a 14.2 tonight. A few more runs left, but the car feels good. I'm very happy with where we're at, and let's see what else happens. Let's see what we can do.
Does it?
A fairly big one. That was a really bad one. What happened with him on that? All right, so it's the day after track night. I tried recording on the way home last night. It was just too dark. All right. So a couple takeaways now that I've had the night to kind of chew over everything that went down. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. I got a 14.6. I was really hoping to be in the low 14s, 14.2, 14.1. There's a couple of things I'm going to need to look into. One, besides the fact that the driver needs to get better, the first thing is going to be traction. The tires I currently have on the car are not good. They are a crappy all-season tire. I'm on the stock wheels, which are 7.5 inches wide. I'm going to need something a little wider, and a tire with a little more grip. And the second thing is probably a wide open throttle box, N2 MB box, mainly for a two-step, so I can try and build boost on the line. Off the line on launch, there's nothing. My best 60 foot so far was I think it was a 2.3. Just need to get a little bit better of a launch. The takeoff is really kind of hurting the overall track time. So wide open throttle box, a better tire and wheel combo, and then a little more practice. I could definitely use a little more practice launching. Going down the track, I did have a few issues with the car wanting to pop out of gear. Usually apply a little pressure just to kind of help push it. As soon as I hit the clutch, it's going. I think we did 6 runs last night. I'm only going to post like 4. 2 of them were kind of a waste. The clutch wasn't engaged, and the trans still kind of
with the lightest touch of pressure popped out from third to fourth. I did do a second, third miss. That was, I got nothing for you, no excuse there. But overall, successful outing. The new clutch felt good. Very hopeful for future outings. I think this can be a mid to low 13s car. I'm going to need a little more practice and 1 or 2 more secondary mods, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen. Thank you guys for watching. If you've watched this far, thank you. I really appreciate everybody who watches these videos. If you can, hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment below on what you liked about the video, what you didn't, any suggestions on how I can do better. And that's it. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.
Full disclosure, I got a quick check sandwich and macaroni and cheese in the back, followed by my track night Mountain Dew. I am silly with anticipation. I cannot wait to eat them. This is going to be like an hour to get up there though, so I'm actually kind of bummed about that.